guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Kura, and on this channel we talk about everything that makes me feel beautiful, which is usually fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today we are talking about fashion. I have a Gucci unboxing. Now this item from Gucci is jarring. Some people love them, some people hate them. I totally understand both camps. But if you follow me on Instagram, you kind of have an idea of what this is, or you should have an idea if you watch my stories what this is. So let's just get to the unboxing and I will talk a little bit more about it. So, these are the Gucci flatform GG logo denim shoe. I didn't feel like I needed this shoe or wanted this shoe until I saw the denim, and I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and try it. I will say a few things about the shoe. One, they are very heavy. They are like I feel them on my feet. You know what I mean? They are definitely substantial. The other thing I want to say is that I thought that the denim, though it is dark, I thought that the denim was going to be a bit more dark. This denim reminds me of Britney Spears circa 1999. Was that 99? I don't know. But that denim outfit that she wore with Justin Timberlake to the Grammys or something? I don't remember. But this is what that denim reminds me of. I thought that was darker. The other thing that I wanted to say about it is that the sizing is, some people say it's true to size. I thought that I got a 7. But when I looked at the box, it actually looked like I got a 6.5. My husband thinks that I should have gone up one more size because he feels like my foot is falling off the back. But maybe I should have. But just keep that in mind. I am a person that could wear 6.5 or 7, and I went to the 6.5. So when you see these on my feet, you can kind of get an idea of how this could work for you. As far as the style of the shoe goes, if you watch my How to Find Your Personal Style video, you know that I am not afraid to experiment. You also know that my style leans more bombshell and less trendy, right? But like I said, I am always willing to experiment. I've seen these on several people, and the people that I've seen them on have a more trendy style, and it looks amazing. I think my style is somewhere between trendy, bombshell, and classic, right? So I'll take classic pieces and put trendy pieces in the mix, if that makes sense. So I'm always willing to try a trendy piece. Now the people that I saw that had these are much more trendy than I am, like much more, right? So it looked amazing, or these looked amazing on them. Somebody like Jasmine from Brown Girl Beauty NYC. If you don't follow her, you should totally follow her on Instagram and on YouTube. These are gonna look so good on her. Somebody like Monroe Steele, very trendy, very, very trendy. It looks so good on her. These don't really work for me, and I don't hate them. When I put them on, I just don't feel, I don't feel like myself. Now I am going to style it for you just to show you how I would style it, and you guys could tell me if it kind of works with my style or not. But yeah, guys, I don't hate them. I just don't feel like I would get enough wear out of them. If I don't feel like I'm going to reach for them often, I am not going to keep them in my wardrobe. At this point in my life, I am all about things in my wardrobe that I absolutely love. Now, I do have a need in my wardrobe for a chunkier shoe. These are not them. My chunkier shoe for my style will probably be more of an espadrille. Gucci, in fact, has this kind of fabric in an espadrille, so I'm kind of thinking about that. But I do have a need for a chunkier shoe just to bring my outfits up to date a little bit, you know? And for me to spend this kind of money on this shoe that I know I'm not going to wear, even though I think they are cute, I'm probably not going to keep them. Again, I'm going to wear them, show you how I would style them. You guys tell me what you think about them. But before we go any further, have you subscribed yet? I know there are some other Gucci unboxings on YouTube, but you have sat here and you have watched mine, and that is just fabulous. One more thing, or the inside of it is leather. I don't know how that would work with summertime and feet sweat. These are inside are brown, so they might not be too bad, but I don't know if it's gonna make your feet sweat a little more or it's gonna be a transfer. I can't tell you, but I just wanted to bring that up. And the other thing that I wanted to bring up before I show you how to style it is that because it's denim and it's a shoe, it's gonna get dirty, and I don't know how to clean them. I was looking at Monroe Steele when she was talking about this. She has the original pair. When she showed them, they did have some signs of wear. They were a little bit stained, and that's just comes with the territory. She wore them, they should be. But my thing is, how do you clean them? Right? In my head, I just don't want to spend that kind of money on something that I can't clean or that I can't keep looking nice. If these were in maybe a leather and maybe half of this platform, I would totally dig them. That I would like, because I feel like I would be able to clean it just by brushing it off, and it would be, I don't know, it would just be more my speed. I don't hate them though. If this is your style, you should totally look into them, buy them. I know that some people's sizes are on back order until April, but here's the thing, luckily, you're not gonna need them to closer to April, May, and June, because in most areas, well, at least in New York, it's still kind of cold, right? So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a close-up. Let me show you how I styled it. So I styled it two different ways. This white dress is one I got from H&M last year. And this blazer, this navy blue blazer, is coming up in a Zara haul. It's something that I got recently from Zara. This white basket bag I got from, I don't remember, but I'll put it in the description box. But this is a typical spring summer outfit for me. I wear a lot of dresses during the summer, and during the spring I wear the dress. I just put a blazer over it or a jacket. So this would be something that you would see me in, you know, if you would run into me on the street. Now my question is, do you think that these shoes really go with this look? They kind of do. I don't think they look bad, but I do know that I would prefer a different shoe. Like I said, maybe an espadrille, a flat, those Valentino slides that I've been talking about. Yeah, I think that I would prefer that, but they don't look bad. The next way that I styled it is with this denim dress. You guys have seen this denim dress. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw me style this with, I believe, my white boots, my off-white boots. And you've seen me do it in a reel. I've even come on YouTube and styled this too. So this is something that I would wear just randomly on a spring day, and I styled it with these denim shoes. Again, it does kind of go. It doesn't look bad. I would wear it, but the question is, would I wear it in 1 to 2 to 3 years? I feel like an espadrille, I know I would wear forever. I feel like the Valentino flats, the Valentino logo sandals, I will wear forever. I don't know if I just like these because they're trendy right now, or if they are part of my, you know, natural style. And when I really think about it, I feel like they're not, but I really love them. So it's like, it's a hard thing to do right now. Anyway, guys, I'm probably gonna send it back. Anyway, tell me what you think. I know some of you said you're gonna get them. I would love to see them when you do get them. Tag me on Instagram. I know some of you are YouTube creators, so I would love to see them on YouTube. Yeah, I want to know how you would style it. Let me know how you would style these in the comments, or I would like to see how else I could style it before I send them completely back. Anyway, guys, that was a quick video today. I just wanted to show you what I got. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.